Program number 9. Write code to create a series of all the characters in the name accepted from the user. Means from the user you take a name, and this name is which data type? String data type. So string data type, all the characters you take it and then create a series. Now how you will do like this program? So what you will do, first you have to import the module, import pandas. Okay, next line, you take a input from the user, name equal to input, within the quotation write down enter your name. Okay, enter your name. Now next, enter your name, you have taken input from the user. Now this name is which data type? Already told that string data type. For example, my name Mrinalini Mahato. Now tell me that it is the string data type, and how many words is given? 2 words. In between what is there? Space is there. So if we will directly pass this one in the series, then what happened? In the 0 index Mrinalini Mahato will come. Previous program you have seen like this question. So now this string we convert it and then we create it as a series. So how you can convert? We have two methods, through the list, second one through the tuple. So take another variable for conversion equal to list. I am taking here list, you can take as a tuple also, list name. Okay, because this user name, where you are storing in the name variable, so that is why this name we are calling. Then this name convert it as a list here, convert it. After convert it, what will do? Another variable you call to storing the series data s9 equal to what will call pandas, because I didn't write here any area's name, so directly will call pandas dot series, pandas dot series. What? Converted list data, where I stored in the conversion variable con. So this one will call. Okay, done. Now print s9. Now run the program. Enter your name, Mrinalini Mahato. Okay, see, enter your name Mrinalini Mahato. Now in the 0 index MK, every characters came. Is it possible from the which line? This line, list. If will not write list, then what happened? Suppose I put it here hashtag here, then what will do? Con we cannot call, otherwise it will come as an error, because con variable not accepted, because I put it what as a comment line. So what will call? Name. Let's see, name variable directly from the user one. Asking wait, it will also display. See, came the enter your name Mrinalini Mahato in the 0 index, because this is one word. Okay, one word it is taking, so that's why in the 0 index everything is coming. And in the question, what is the question told? That in the question told that all the characters in the name you have to accept it and then create a series. So that is why one by one character you have to display. So this is wrong method. Which one? Directly name one, string one. So then we have to convert as a list or tuple, and then you call as a convert it variable. So this is the correct method.